I am working with KlaiyiHair today. So we got us a nice little closure wig, baby girl. So this I already did curl off camera. You guys have seen me curl wigs a million times, so I just wanted to go ahead and, you know, have this already ready for y'all. Just gonna probably pop a clip in while I talk. So shipping took about 3-4 days, and it was via FedEx. Didn't have any issues with that. Packaging was nice. They did include a nice little headband for me, and here is the box. This is the wig, you guys. It has the fake scalp underneath. Then look at how good that part looks. Like, bleach not to wear. It literally looks so good. I noticed that the middle part, there's only lace here. So it's like a little mini horseshoe of lace, and then the rest is tracks. So cap construction, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 combs and adjustable straps at the bottom. The length is 22 or 24. I'll put it in the description. This is how it's looking. It looks really nice. So I'm gonna just put it on and then show you guys a couple of ways you can style it. Some easy, hopefully easy ways, cute ways, simple ways. So let's just hop into this video. Okay guys, so I couldn't really come up with any more styles because this is a lace part wig, so I don't have that like full, you know, parting space and stuff. So I'm like, I'm gonna just keep it like this because it's actually turned out to be a really cute hairstyle, cuter than I thought. So I'm just gonna talk about the hair and the company for a couple of minutes. So for those who know about KlaiyiHair, you guys know Every time I work with KlaiyiHair, I get so like emotional inside because this is one of the first hair companies I worked for. I believe when I first hit 1K, this is the company that I worked for. They sent me some curly hair, so I was really excited about that because I'm like, that was the first wig I made like myself. Like it just was like a lot going on, and that was 3 years ago now. So it's always refreshing to work with this company. So they did send over this lace part closure wig. It does have fake scalp. Now the lengths available is 14 through 24. The density is 150 density, and that's really full to me. Like it's nice and fluffy. This is not thin. She's not giving me thin, she's giving me very much, you know, full. So I like that a lot. Now what I do like is the fake scalp because the part is really nice. Like usually you have to bleach your knots, but you didn't have to with this one. So they're having a couple of sales right now, so definitely take advantage. Some coupon codes will be in the description. But yes, this one is in 24, and like I said, shipping was through FedEx. Took about 3-4 days. Shipping is decent right now. There's a dog barking outside, so sorry you guys. I hope it stops. But yeah, so initially I have no issues. I'm not having no shedding or anything crazy like that, of course, initially. But I will keep you guys updated on this wig. My bobby pin's kind of falling in the back, but I like this hairstyle. Like I like that you can do something different besides just having it down. But when it is down, it's really cute. As y'all seen, it looks good. So if you guys are interested in this wig, it will be in the description. So thank you guys for watching another video. I will see you guys in the next one.